Hi and welcome to Hallie's Creations. This tutorial is a super easy peasy tutorial to do, and we are just going to jump right into it. What I did is I picked up this welcome sign from actually the Dollar General, if you can believe that, and I took and I burned holes around the edges for I could take the zip ties with the ribbon and add some pop and flair to it just to make it a little bit more homey and, you know, hallitize it, so to speak. But yeah, so that's what we did here. So what you're seeing is I am weaving the ribbon through, straightening it out. There's 3 different layers here for we can have the red, white, and blue. And then we are going to zip tie it through. So when you do the holes, you'll have to do 2 holes, and you want the holes to be, notice how they are here side by side. That way they'll lay properly when you add the rest of your ribbon to it. So right now we're going to go around the board, and I'm showing you the back side too for you can see what it looks like. So when you're doing the zip ties, you want to fasten them in the back. That way you don't have that little knob on the outside showing. It just keeps it cleaner. Another little note here as well. When you do burn the holes through or drill the holes, I chose to burn the holes with the soldering gun. I have a little burner there, and you'll see me doing that in a minute. But I did that all the way around because I didn't want my sign to crack or have that, flaky on the paint. So here what we're going to do now is make a cute little hanger part of it. I had these red, white, and blue beads. So I'm taking some jute. I'm going to put a little bit of tape on the end of it before I can thread it through the beads and customize the size of this holder for when you hang it outside. Another little thing I did as well, because we live in an area where it gets really windy and really hot, I put on the back, you don't see it here, some styrofoam to keep it from banging up against the house on the outside. Because the wind will clink, 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 and it's quite annoying. Actually, our dog thought someone was knocking on the door for a while there until we figured out what was going on. So here we're going to go back to just zip tying the ribbon around the actual sign. This sign, I believe I paid probably $8 for it. But when I saw it, I thought, that is so cute, and I couldn't make it for that. So I just grabbed it up, and now I'm just making it personalized. Here, too, I had the ribbon left over from last year when they cleared out the 4th of July ribbon. And actually, I think it was a few years before that. Remember what I say, buy your supplies after the holidays, and you'll get them 75 to 90% off, depending when you go in there to buy it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you do enjoy these videos that I do. I try to keep them simple, pretty straightforward, easy peasy, and to the point. So here again, we're just going to zip tie these all the way around. Yes, you could wire them. You could use a pipe cleaner. You could even glue them if you don't live in an area that gets super hot. If you live in an area that gets hot, the glue is going to warm up and melt, and then it's not going to be as sturdy. So here we're just going through and zip tying these all the way through. Hey, if you want to learn how to make some jewelry or learn how to paint or just do any kind of crafts or artwork, check out my channel. I have over 500 videos at this point with my shorts. I think I'm probably peaking 600 at this point. And that way you can see the different things to learn how to do tutorials. And as I've grown my channel and done this several times for over the years, I have simplified it, got it pretty easy peasy. So yeah, if there's something you're wanting to learn, get some creative ideas, whatever, or just follow along, check out my playlists. They're all organized on the playlist and ready to go just for you. So here we go again, just finishing this up. And another thing I wanted to share is I will be doing some more of the 4th of July tutorials, different things just to decorate the home and stuff with. So I'll be looking for that. And upcoming as well is a bridal set that I did for a dear friend of mine, sister in the Lord. Got married and we wanted to keep it simple. So we did a bridal bouquet, the head wreath, the bottle art, as well as some corsages. So be looking for that. Those are in the editing phase right now. And as soon as I get each one edited, I will get them uploaded for you to see and to enjoy. I repurposed a different bouquet that I had and made it her colors and personalized it a little bit more for her. So I show you how to do that, how to take it apart and still maintain its integrity, as well as a really cute little halo headpiece, like the 70s theme. So I'll be putting that in for you as well to kind of take a peek at. And that will be coming up soon on my tutorials. So getting back to this sign here, if you want to do something that's really affordable, easy peasy, this is the thing to do. This sign altogether, I probably have, I'm going to say, because I bought the ribbon on sale and such, $10 to $15 tops. So yeah. So follow, like, and share, and save if you are enjoying this. I'm just going to sit and fluff this out a little bit. I wanted to show you that process for you could see. And you're going to do that all the way around. So you're going to twist and pop and fluff it all the way around. And here's just a little thing down on the bottom here on the left hand side to show you some of the different jewelry pieces that I've made tutorials on. And yes, I show you how to make the entire piece. Super easy too. What I suggest when you do your jewelry pieces is to use quality product. I use stones and gems and things of that nature and glass beads. I don't use the plastics and stuff. Only with the kids sometimes I'll show and do that just to teach them how to do that. So here the little gnome that you have I picked up at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. He was a garden stake. I took the stake part off and now I'm going to glue him to the sign just to add a little bit of character to it. So just go through, fluff out your ribbons, add your accents, and that's it. Easy peasy and done. So I'll be looking for some more videos coming out for 4th of July. I'm going to try to crack some more out here for you, as well as the bridal set that I just completed for you. And if you love puppies, I have a Aussie Doodle, and I did a channel for him as we watch him grow. So you can check that out. The link is in my descriptions below. And if you're looking for some biblical perspectives on life's lessons, check out Real Talk with Hallie. That's another channel I have. And without any further ado, I would like to tell you to have a good day and a better tomorrow, as my dad always said. As Papa Chuck would say, may the Lord bless you and keep you. And from me to my grands, peace out. Bye.